Gigi, calm down. Come on, Gigi. Come
Look,
here.
I zoomed in so I can see everything up close. Like I'm in the cage. Oh, I don't sure if she just leans back.
No.
Where are the other dogs?
They got rid of them because they want them.
Oh.
Oh, look at Jim over there.
Yes, you did. Toshi, look.
Itchy.
Toshi, look, Didi.
I'm getting on video. You want to be on YouTube? Say no. I don't. Well, you are. Haha. Wow. She's fast. Hey, boo-boo. Hey, boo-boo. Look at her. Oh, my God. She's so cute. There's that one over there. Don't want to get too close, but you can see her over there. She could definitely be Sassy's baby.
Yeah, she looks like it.
Yeah. Here. Oh. Yeah, it's a dog. What do you expect?
Look at this though.
I know. Look at that.
It's amazing.
I don't think the dogs did that.
Yeah, I know the dogs can do that. Super dog did it. I want to get Clint.
Bye.